Hello, let us discuss further classification of lipids. So, the classification of lipids, which I am going to discuss now, here is the general classification, and I am not going to discuss here the classification based on chemistry of lipids. Rather, I here only discuss the classification which is in a very general sense classify or generally classify the lipids into two distinct categories. And as you can see, I here classify the lipid into two categories, although there are three categories, but in a very simple term or in a very simple manner, I discuss or classify the lipids into two categories. The very first one is the simple lipid, and the second category is the complex lipids. So these two are the category of lipids, and on the basis or in a general sense, and this category is divided of any chemical classification of lipids. I am again repeating this, as this category doesn't include any classification of lipid on the basis of chemistry. This is just a simple classification, and this classification is nothing to do with the chemical classification of lipids. So as you can see, there are two classes of lipid I have discussed here. Let us discuss them in a sequential manner. The simple lipids is further be sub-classified to the two classes, fat and waxes. So the fat is the first class of simple lipid, and waxes are the second subclass of simple lipid. So you can see here, and usually we all know fat is nothing but they are the ester of fatty acid with glycerol. So fat represents, or they are classified as a subcategory within the simple lipids, and they are nothing but the esters of fatty acid with glycerol. Now, the next category within the simple lipid is the waxes, and what it denotes, waxes means they are also the esters of fatty acid rather than glycerol, or beside glycerol. They are with higher molecular weight monohydric alcohol. So this is the waxes. So this is the first category of simple lipids, sub classification of simple lipids, and the simple lipids are classified further as fat and waxes. And to certain extent, I have also mentioned here their chemistry. The fat are nothing but the esters of fatty acid with glycerol, and waxes are the esters of fatty acid with higher molecular weight monohydric alcohol. Higher molecular weight monohydric alcohol. Let us discuss the another category, that is the complex lipid. And the complex lipid is further be sub classified or categorized as phospholipids, which is the very first category. And the phospholipid includes as an example glycerophosphate. So glycerophosphate is the example of the phospholipid, and then glycolipids. The next subcategory is the glycolipid, and this consists of an example as glycosphingolipids. No, this is not an example, rather the glycolipid is also be termed as glycosphingolipids due to its composition. And then the lipoprotein. Now a lipoprotein, rather than classifying the lipoprotein right here under the complex lipid, the lipoprotein is sometimes also be categorized as a miscellaneous complex lipid, as this lipid, that is the lipoprotein, consists of two constituents, that is the lipid as well as the protein. So this is the general classification of lipid, and further in this next video I will discuss the chemical classification of lipid or the classification of lipid based on the chemistry. Thank you.